In this video I will show you how to clear your search history on YouTube app. First open up the YouTube app. And make sure you are logged into your account. Then tap on the profile picture icon at the top right. Then tap on Settings. Tap on Manage All History. Next tap on Delete. Here you can choose to delete only today's history, or you can delete the history of custom date range. I will delete all time history. Confirm that you like to delete your history. And now you have successfully deleted all of your history. That is how to delete search history on YouTube.